Hi, good morning. Now we will discuss about the genetic material is DNA molecule. It is a confirmed, unequally proved by Harsha and Chase experiment. Now we will discuss about Harsha and Chase experiment. In this Harsha and Chase experiment useful for with help of one of the microorganism is T2 bacteriophage. T2 bacteriophage. Generally the bacteriophage attack on bacteriophage attack on bacteria. The genetic material transfer to bacteria. Bacteriophage attack on bacteria. It's a DNA molecule transferred to its bacteria. These bacteria treat as DNA molecule as its own. Bacterial infected with bacteriophage. The bacteriophage containing DNA molecule. The DNA molecule is directly transferred to inside of the bacteria. Inside of these bacteria, the bacteria considered as its own DNA molecule. So the production of these more number of these bacteriophage particles. Bacteriophage particles inside of these bacteria. After this liberation, these are also attacked to the another bacteria. In this process, what type of these chemical material is directly transferred from bacteriophage to bacteria? In this process, Harsha and Chase experiment conducted with which one is a transfer of these chemical compound transfer from the bacteriophage to bacteria. It is confirmed by this experiment. DNA molecule is confirmed act as a genetic material. In this unequally proved by Harsha and Chase experiment. So now experiment conducted with help of the T2 bacteriophage. The T2 bacteriophage grow in one of the culture media. It is the culture media. Generally the culture media containing tissues. Same. It is also culture media. It is also containing tissues. Culture media. Generally the culture media containing the different type of these nutrients along with the tissue. Due to this containing the tissue, T2 bacteriophage, generally the bacteriophage depends upon the any one of these tissues. That's why the T2 bacteria grow on in one of the culture media containing the tissue. In this culture media containing the radioactive element 35S. Radioactive element. Active element yes 35. Another culture media containing phosphorus 32 phosphorus. It is a radioactive element. Radioactive element. In this culture media, growing of these T2 bacteriophage, generally the sulfur utilized for synthesis of protein molecule. But does not utilization in the synthesis of DNA molecule. Yes, sulfur 35 radioactive element used for production of these more number of the viral particles. All of these viral particles generally composed its nucleoprotein. Generally, the protein part synthesis utilized by radioactive element 35. Yes. But nucleus does not containing sulfur, so does not deposited in the DNA molecule. This DNA molecule does not containing sulfur containing radioactive element. In this, the next one is these culture media containing the phosphorus. In this phosphorus, synthesis of DNA molecule. That means the DNA molecule containing phosphorus, but without sulfur containing protein. Generally, the protein utilized for the sulfur. In this, DNA molecule utilized for phosphorus. That is the difference. So, in this experiment, the first attack to bacteria, so generally the capsid is present in the outside. Generally, capsid is present in the outside. Its DNA molecule is directly inserted into the bacteria. In this next step, DNA molecule is present in this bacteria. The capsid molecule is present in the outside. These both are separated with centrifugation process. Both of these separated with help of centrifugation process. In this, first the blending with agitation. The protein molecule present as a supernatant. Whereas the DNA molecule of these bacteria precipitate as a pellet. Okay, once again, the genetic material is a DNA confirmed by Hershey and Chase experiment. Hershey and Chase with help of bacteriophage. It is one of the viral particle. Generally, the viral particle required to any one of these living organisms for its growth. In this, the bacteriophage grow in different culture media. This is the first culture media. This is the second culture media. In the first culture media, the culture media containing the tissues. Generally, what are the requirement of the tissue? The tissue helps for growth of these viral particle. Generally, the viral particle is made up of the nucleoprotein. Outside of this protein coat, inside of this nucleus material. In the same, it is also. Okay, in this growth of viral particle to production of these more number of the particles. So all of these particles preparation with the help of these protein coat with sulfur. So sulfur is surrounded by the protein part of virus. In this, generally we use in this culture media phosphorus. Generally the phosphorus 32 phosphorus of radioactive element utilized in these culture media. These culture utilized for the production of these more number of the viral particle. In this containing 32P. In these containing 35S. Sulfur utilized for protein synthesis. Phosphorus utilized for synthesis of the DNA molecule. Both of these separately injected into the bacteria. These radioactive element containing of these viral particle injected into one of the bacteria. In this bacteria, the first of all infection, the second is injected into this DNA molecule, its viral particle. After entry of these DNA molecule inside of these bacteria, these generally outside of these protein considered as ghost. It is considered as ghost. These ghost and bacterial molecule are separated with centrifugation process. In this centrifugation, with help of this one of the blending with agitation and enters into the centrifugation process. Centrifugation process. In this centrifugation process occurs to form two layers. One is supernatant and second one is the pellet. Generally the supernatant containing protein part, the pellet containing high molecular weight of these DNA molecule. Generally the cells of these bacteria present in this, the viral particle present in the supernatant. In this supernatant containing the radioactive element. Due to this, it is present in outside of this protein coat. Whereas in the second experiment, in the same, the bacteria first infected with P32 radioactive element of bacteriophage. P32 of these bacteriophage, when enters into this DNA molecule, these are also separated ghost. In this enters into the blending process and allowed to centrifugation process. In this first blending with agitation and then centrifugation process. In this generally the DNA molecule present in the pellet. DNA molecule present in the pellet. Whereas a protein coat present in the supernatant. Generally the radioactive element present in the pellet. Because of this enters into this DNA molecule. Pellet containing the P32. Whereas the supernatant contain 35. Yes. Therefore, it is confirmed for DNA molecule is transferred from the bacteriophage to bacteria. Therefore, unequivocally proved by Harsha and Cheese experiment, DNA is confirmed the genetic material transferred from the bacteriophage to bacteria.
Can anybody out there hear me?